Hey folks, this is former Navy SEAL Cade Courtly with your 4Patriots Survival Minute. I'm going to show you 3 common things that can help you start a fire. First one, tortilla chips. All right, because they have a lot of oil in them, they actually totally work to help start a fire. Stack them up, and away you go. Number 2, hand sanitizer. It's got a high alcohol content. That's what does the sanitation. It also helps you start a fire. Three, steel wool. Now this is great. If you have steel wool and a 9-volt battery, preferably fine steel wool, spread it out so the air can get in there. Touch both poles of the 9-volt, and there you have it. Starting to amber already. So there you have it. Tortilla chips, hand sanitizer, steel wool, and a 9-volt battery. And you have things that are going to help you start a fire. This is Cade Courtly with your 4Patriots Survival Minute. Be a survivor, not a statistic.